Today in Science is Cool, we will talk about sounds. Sounds is everywhere and every day we hear it. From playing through radio
City at Kitakyushu City sa Japan, mga kaabiran.
On 92.3 Easy Rock Iloilo.
enjoying music from the records, slamming the stick on the drums, having a conversation on the phone, meeting in a group or organization, and many more. Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to the show Science is Cool. What is sounds? Sound is a form of energy caused by a vibration of an object, like the beat of the drum. It produced through vibration through the skin of the drum, and the air molecules, which is our medium, passes through. The air molecules reach our ear. It depends if we are near the source of sound. If we are far from the sound source, the weak or soft sound we can hear. And if we are near the sound source, the sound is strong and loud. That's we call loudness. Sound can transmit to any form of medium. That's our transmission. We have gas like air, liquid which is our water, and solid through our glass, walls, or wood. Without these three types of sound mediums, sound cannot travel. Sound has also pitch. Pitch is how low or high a sound is. The frequency of sound is the number of vibration in seconds. The unit is called hertz. Sound has also some effect, like for instance, noise. Noise are the unpleasant loud sound. If the level of sound reaches more than 90 decibels, that's our unit, decibels, and you are exposed for a long period, it can cause permanent ear damage or hearing problem. Here's a recap. Sound is produced from a form of energy caused by vibration of an object. That's our producer or production. Sound needs a medium to travel, like our gases in the air, liquid like water, solid like wood, glass, or walls. That's our transmission. It has pitch. The frequency of vibration either is low or high. Loudness, the amount of energy or different volumes. If you are far, the sound is soft. If you are near, the sound is loud. And lastly, we have noise. The effect of noise. Noise are the unpleasant sound or loud sound, and the unit is decibel. Noise pollution, it can cause a hearing problem or ear damage. The different types of noise pollution and how to prevent and reduce noise pollution. We must listen to music in a reasonable level of noise. We must also wear ear protection while working into this large machine to protect our ears. We should also stay away from the source of noise. I hope you learned a lot of sound science today. Until next time, I'm Claire for Science is cool. Science of sounds. See you in the next episode.